Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to install our universal small block Chevy motor mount kit. We've got a dummy block here, and let's get started. First things first, we'll go ahead and install the motor mount. Now the kit comes with bolts and lock washers, so we'll go ahead and get those going here. And if you've got just your block, it's a little easier to flip it over. And that way you can put the top bolt in and just basically hang the mount to get the other two bolts in. And you will want to go ahead and tighten those down. I'm not for today for the video, but you do want to remember to tighten them down, otherwise you're going to have a pretty shaky motor. All right, now that the mount's on, we'll go ahead and work on the frame mount. Now, two ways you can do this. The mount may already be on your car. In that case, it's just a matter of dropping your block down and putting the cushion kit together. Otherwise, if you're using this to mock up the frame mount to figure out where it needs to be welded into your car, this is basically how we'll be doing it here. So the cushion kits that come with the kit, they actually come basically put together like this with the bolt and nut on there to hold everything together. We've actually disassembled one here to show you the different steps, or the three sections as it were. So first, with your motor mount, you want to take the bolt and that smaller biscuit, slide it up from the bottom, and that smaller biscuit will fit right into the hole there. And then from there you want to go ahead and put the large washer on and the biscuit, a large biscuit there, and that larger biscuit will slide right onto the shoulder of the bolt, just like so. And then from there it actually sits on top of this mount here, because you can imagine it's actually an upside down block. So, and then the last washer and nut. And with that being a lock nut, you'll actually want to tighten that down quite a ways, and that'll hold everything together. And from there, do the other side, flip it over, set it in the car, figure out where they need to get mocked up to, cut them down, weld them in, and you're good to go. So, hope you learned a little bit about our universal motor mount kit today, and thanks so much for watching.